Hey everybody, this is Robot here from Vespa Motorsport here in San Diego and ScooterWest.com, your source for all things Vespa here in North America. If you watch a lot of my videos, they're usually in the cleaner side of the shop. This is the dirty corner of the shop. Every shop's got its dirty corner. But besides the dirty corner, whenever you drain the oil or any fluids from your scooter, whether it's a coolant, you need to have some type of tray or pan to contain the oil. Normally, whenever you do a car oil change, this is the typical oil pan that you put under a car. Of course, it's leaking because somebody got some on there. You drain your oil in that, and then you dump it in like a milk jug or something and take it over to a place that would dispose of it correctly. That's a standard car one. They do not work very well on the scooters. Another option that I've used in the past is a bread tin. Well, just recently, Vespa came out with a oil pan that's specific to the needs of a scooter. You know, most scooters hold under 2 or 3 quarts. You know, in most cases, 1 quart or even less for some of the smaller engines. The scooters are kind of low, so you need a low profile pan. And this kind of applies for that. And it's also got a handy spout that will allow you to carefully pour the oil out of the pan and dispose of it. Obviously, it's a little big for pouring it into a milk jug. Ideally, you would set up something like a large standardized funnel and pour it in there. But I'll kind of show you how that works. You know, you carefully tip it and it allows you to carefully pour it. You can see it's got a really nice even stream. You probably could pour that in a 2-liter bottle or a milk jug if you're very careful. Now, obviously, warmer oil flows pretty easy. And here in a shop environment, we got special trays, 55-gallon drums that contain stuff. We have to dispose of oil filters in the correct manner. And this tray up here, kind of getting off subject, all the funnels and everything that's contained oil, we put them up there, and I designed this tray that has a sheet metal and it drips right into the oil pan. Kind of off subject, but it's something I set up for doing kind of controlling the messy oil that's in the shop, you know, because you're always going to have funnels and all that kind of stuff. Right here is a teardown table. There's off-the-shelf ones. You take apart a motor, it doesn't matter if you drain all the oil. There's going to be more oil draining out of the motor. And we collect the oil and dispose of it correctly. You know, when you tear down a motor, there's normally a little screen that goes in there. Also useful when you're oiling air filters or anything else that has oil in it. You can tear it down on this heavy-duty steel table that drains down. Other things you'd have in a shop are like a parts washer right there. Not something you normally have in a home shop. You can do it with a toothbrush and, you know, off-the-shelf sprays. But I thought the oil pan probably comes in handy. I think part number is TOOLOILPAN on our website, ScooterWest.com. Look in the description for the part number or a link to the part. Pretty inexpensive. I think a lot of people will find that tool very handy versus using a standard oil pan or the old bread pan. Until next time, this is Robot here, Vespa Motorsport here in San Diego.